Today we're going to look at an equation that is really just two steps, but it requires us to do a little bit of simplifying before we solve for the variable. So the first thing I'm going to do with this equation is I'm going to color code it a little bit just so I can see the things that go together. I'm going to mark all of my constants, all of the number terms in blue, and I'm going to see what I can combine on each side of the equal sign. On this side, I just have 1 minus 5. On the other side, I have a positive 6 and a positive 7. So I'm going to combine those and get positive 13. Then I'm going to look at my x terms. On this side, I have 12x, and on this side, I have 9x, and I just have 1 on each side. Now I'm going to look at the equation, and my goal is to combine the like terms, and if that means that they're on two sides of the equation, to get them on the same side of the equation together. I want all of my x terms on one side and my constants on the other. I'm going to do this by looking at the x terms. I have 12x and I have 9x. I'm going to move the one that is smaller. So if this is 9x, I can move it to the other side by doing minus 9x. And whatever I do to this side, I have to do to this side. So now I have 12 minus 9, this is 3x, and 9 minus 9, I have 0 x's left on this side. I'm going to bring down my minus 5 and my 13. Now I'm going to combine the two constants. And so since I have the 3x on this side, I want to move this minus 5 away from the x. So if that's minus 5, I want to do plus 5. And if I do plus 5 on that side, I want to do plus 5 on this side. 13 plus 5 is 18. So now I'm left with 3x equals 18. In order to solve for x, now, oh look, I forgot about my color coding. I'm going to get rid of this 3, and to get rid of that 3, I remember this means 3 times x, so I'm going to divide by 3, and my final answer will be x equals 6.